Example 1. Evaluate. Sigma, 1 minus 2k, from k equals 1 to k equals 14. Solution. Let us write down the first 4 terms of the sequence and identify the type of series. Interpreting the sigma notation, we can infer that there are 14 terms in this sequence. Substituting the values of k, we can find the terms in the sequence. This is an arithmetic sequence as the difference is constant. Recall the formula for calculating the sum of n terms of an arithmetic sequence. Sn equals n over 2 times a plus l. Since we know the first term, the last term, and number of terms, to calculate the sum, we can use the second formula. Substituting the values, we get Sn equals negative 196.
Need more help? Subscribe to our channel. Can't wait that long? Ask Masky to help you and let the math finally start mathing.